Hi, today we're going to talk about a work surface that you would cut to fit in the field. You would normally order a regular work surface, the size you'd want, like this is a 24, but you wouldn't want to order it smaller, like a 42. You need to actually cut it in the field, which we're going to call cut to fit. Now, I've already switched this work surface so it has freestanding legs instead of end panel. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the Edit Graphics extension, component tab there, and I'm going to grab stretch. And I'll take the stretch command and I'm going to point right at the end. It's easier to do it in 2D in this case. I'll grab the end of the work surface and I'll stretch it down. Now I have a problem. When I start stretching it, my cutout in the back is moving too. So I really don't want to do that. I'm going to go ahead and switch that. So what I'll do, I'll make the work surface editable. So now you can see it's yellow, it means it's editable. And I'm going to insert what's called a cut plane. A cut plane means that it's only going to stretch from that line to the side. So only the stretching is going to occur on the right hand side now. I grab stretch, grab the stretch command, click it, and now you'll see that the grommet stays in the right place. I'm going to go ahead and snap right onto the edge of that column, and now it's moved it over. You can see that the legs have moved, and I'm going to click away, right? And the edge of the work surface is here. Now, if I go and look at the tag, you can see the tag on here still says 48 because this work surface hasn't actually changed. When I do a query, you can see the part number is still the same. It wouldn't change unless I clicked on it and hit Make Special, but I don't want to because we're going to cut it in the field. We actually want to order the 24-inch work surface, and we don't want to have to order any differently. We just want to order this one. So what I'll probably do is go in and add a tag. Let me just grab a label right here, and I'll put it underneath that work surface. I'll just change it to say cut to fit. Okay. Maybe change the size to a smaller size. We'll just say 3 inches, so it's a little bit closer to the tag size. Now, when I do my installation drawings, my installers know that this is the work surface they need to cut. The calculation is going to have the right part number, and it's going to print correctly in the 3D rendering. So we can see that. All right. Well, thank you.